Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your PNB debit card PIN. Setting up your PIN is a crucial first step to using your new card securely for all your transactions. The process is straightforward and primarily involves using a Punjab National Bank ATM. We will walk through each step, ensuring you can activate your card with confidence and ease. Make sure you have your new debit card ready and your registered mobile phone nearby. Once at a PNB ATM, insert your new debit card and select the green PIN or Generate PIN option. You will then need to enter your 10-digit account number. Next, a 6-digit one-time password will be sent to your registered mobile number. Carefully enter this into the ATM. Finally, you will be prompted to create your new 4-digit PIN. Enter it twice to confirm, and your PIN will be successfully set. Your PIN is like a secret key, so it is vital to keep it confidential. Always memorize your 4-digit PIN and never write it down or share it with anyone, not even bank staff. For added security, consider changing your PIN periodically. If you ever forget your PIN, do not worry. You can simply follow the same ATM generation process to set a new one, ensuring continuous access to your funds. To recap, setting up your PNB debit card PIN is a secure and straightforward process performed exclusively at a Punjab National Bank ATM. Remember to have your registered mobile number handy for the one-time password. By following these simple steps, you ensure the security of your transactions and gain full access to your card's features. You are now fully equipped to use your PNB debit card confidently for all your financial needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.